I am the love that is reborn within me, even after the darkest nights that seemed to have no end. Even after the silence, the falls, and the pain, I always return to my interior. I am the force that blooms at the right time. I am the sun that warms from the inside out. It does not matter how dark the path became, there is always a divine light within me saying, I am. I am love in the act of rising, in the courage to begin again. I do not need to be who I was yesterday. I can be reborn in what touched my soul today. I am the love that chooses to stay, even when the world commands me to flee. I am presence. I am root. And today I declare I am whole. I am strong. I am certain. I look into the mirror of my soul with eyes of peace. I recognize the beauty that the divine has placed within me. I do not need to prove anything to anyone. I only need to remember I deserve to live. I let go of the weight of guilt. I let go of the weight of regret. I open space for my true self. I welcome my body, my spirit, and my way of being. Everything in me begins to be reborn. I am worthy of my own love, even in my failures, even in my pain. I am not perfect, nor do I wish to be. I am true in my rebirth. Every step is sacred. Every mistake has taught me. I welcome my past with light. I do not deny the pain. The shadows that walked with me until here only wanted to be seen. I embrace them without fear, because everything I was taught me how to love who I am becoming. I am no longer a prisoner of memories that hurt. I am the temple where lessons flourish. Every error I made transforms now into liberation. I forgive myself deeply, not with haste, but with a present soul. Every sorrow I carry, I hand over to the light. What passed has passed, and peace follows.
My heart is under reconstruction, stone by stone, with compassion. I do not erase the pain, but I clean the place so that love may inhabit it again. I do not need to rush. I do not need to be right. I only need to follow my own emotion. If it hurts today, tomorrow it may calm down, and every tear comes to cleanse. I dismantle the walls where I isolated myself. I open windows that I once closed. I let the sun enter what had darkened, because inside me there is still what is mine. My heart pulses, even when wounded. It seeks meaning. I do not deny the pieces that broke. They also built me. I rebuild with gestures of lightness, with silence, prayer, and care. And I know that one day I will bloom, with more truth, with more wisdom, because he who loves what he has become is someone that time could not destroy. I feel the value of my essence, without a mask, without resistance. I am more than what the eyes can see. I am the light that lives beyond the beyond. I am a living soul in transformation. Every step I take, every yes I chose, brought me back inside myself. I feel that I am unique, whole, real. Even on days when everything is banal, there is a glow in me that has not gone out. My essence has a voice. It has color. It is the source that moves me, that guides me. It is who I am, in peace, night and day. I do not seek to be what they expect of me. I seek to be faithful to what pulses in me, to be kind to myself, to be my own home, to be who I am without needing to prove it. Each emotion is welcome in me, because in deep feeling, my yes begins. I return to loving myself. I return to trusting that even wounded, I can heal. Life calls me with a voice of gentleness, and I say yes to my heart.